Hello, my name is Moritz Schüssler and I completed my PhD at the Paul-Ehrlich Institute in Renate Königs working group. My work was focused on the regulation of the antiviral protein SAMHD1 in the context of infection with the virus that causes AIDS, the HIV virus. Our cells are not defensive against viruses. Each cell has a repertoire of antiviral proteins that can inhibit or prevent virus replication. We call these proteins antiviral restriction factors. SAMHD1 is an example for antiviral restriction factor. When it's active, SAMHD1 inhibits processes such as the proliferation of B by reducing the availability of components essential for the virus. Without these components, HIV cannot infect the target cells and thus cannot continue to multiply. However, the components that are reduced by SAMHD1 are also important for our own cells. So SAMHD1 cannot be permanently active. Its activity is strictly controlled in our cells. We call this process regulation. In my work, I specifically looked at the connections between the regulation of SAMHD1, its activity, and its ability to inhibit HIV target cells. In doing so, I took advantage of new cell models and the ability to change cell genetic material in a targeted and precise manner. Knowledge and understanding of the regulation of SAMHD1 offers an opportunity to improve the treatments of HIV-1 patients. SAMHD1 not only limits the proliferation of HIV, but also its detection by the immune system. By modulating the activity of SAMHD1, we hope to be able to increase the immune response against HIV in a targeted manner. SAMHD1 is also a crucial factor in gene and cell therapy because it inhibits the efficiency of viruses that serve to genetically modify cells. In addition, SAMHD1 plays a role in cancer development and cancer treatment. Molecules that block SAMHD1 are currently being developed for cancer therapy, as altering this regulation of SAMHD1 is a promising therapeutic approach. I think our research is a good example of how basic research provides important insights that have the potential to improve the treatment of patients. We published our results in a scientific journal in autumn 2023, and I am, of course, very pleased that this publication has now been awarded the Langen Junior Science Award. If you want to know more about our research, you can find all the information about the cellular aspects of host-pathogen interaction working group on the Paul-Ehrlich Institute's website.